Have you ever wondered what to do when you have reached to your target ACOS? Can I increase my sales without hurting me my actual ACOS? I will tell you what we know so far. My name is Enrique Becerra and I'm the advertising project manager at my Amazon guy. Let's jump in. So, we have our account and mainly what we need to do, like we need to have we can have many things to do. The first one will be like the easiest one. Increase our daily budget. As you can see here, we have our out of budget campaigns for today. It's 4:53 p.m. So we can have more traction today. What can we do? We can increase our budget, but we need to make sure that all the campaigns have been like are profitable campaigns. Why? Because if not, we will increase our spend to unprofitable keywords. As you can see here, we have a high ACOS. This won't be like such value to increase our budget. We need to optimize it first, and then we can question ourselves to increase our budget. But let's say for this account we have a target ACOS of 40%. We can increase those too, but this will be like some tricky thing to do because you will need to be sure that these accounts are out of budget. Thankfully, Amazon has one tool that is called the Budgets tab inside the advertising console. Let's go there. And as you can see here, we have like this tells us like our average time of in budget. This it is in a percentage part. Why? Because this tells you like in a month, like this time range. It tells you that in the last 30 days, last month, this this has been 100% of the time in budget. We don't need to worry about these things. How can we like we have 98%, we have 2% of campaigns that are out of budget, and we have missed this amount of impressions from 445,000 to 1.34 million. We have missed this amount of clicks, we have missed this amount of sales. How can we know like our things without scrolling down? Yeah, we can have a filter by average time in budget, and we need to say show me less than 100%. This will show us all the campaigns that are like out of budget but less than 100%. 99% of the time it doesn't work, but we have 20%, we have 50%, we have 55, etc. So we have a lot of things to do. So how can we know? Like, let's settle down by ACOS. Okay, we have one campaign, 98%. We have missed like $9 of sales. Nothing to worry. 35, but 70%. This is not that bad. 35% ACOS, 40% ACOS, 50% ACOS. We can question that if we can increase the ACOS. It's 90%, 86%. Maybe. This one we can increase it, and this is the amount of sales that we have missed. This is the simple and easiest one thing to do, increase the budget. But is it the only one? No. We need to make sure that we have all the campaigns that Amazon can provide us. These are the tools. If we have the tools, we need to use them all. First one, we have the sponsored products, sponsored display, and sponsored brands, and these are all the campaigns that we can create. We have auto campaigns. Inside the auto campaigns, we have 4 types of matches: manual campaigns, keyword targeting, exact, phrase, and broad. One of the most important. The second one is the auto campaign. I will tell you later why. We have the product targeting by ASIN or by category. Also good. Why is broad and auto campaign so useful? Because these campaigns will tell us new keywords, new targets to start focusing in order to have more sales. We will have our auto campaign that it will tell us the product targeting. It will tell us new keywords to reach out, and with this we will have a lot of information, a lot of keywords, and we will have a lot of profitable keywords, which means if we isolate them and we control our ad spend, we will be profitable on those ones. That will be one. Creating new campaigns. Creating new campaigns. How? I just said it. Broad and out of phrase. Out of phrase. Out of campaign. With those two, you can either create more and more and more and more campaigns in order to have more long tail keywords or not. And also, you can start like after you reach out to your maximum, let's say, amount of keywords, you can start target for a more broad keywords instead of 3 keywords in just one targeting. We can start targeting 2 keywords, 1 keyword per keyword. Sounds tricky, but it's simple. We can start triggering that in order to have more sales. We can have a bigger part of the market. Also, after like doing this, we can have a sponsor display. Very useful things. It will be targeting outside Amazon. That's very good. We can have all these campaigns. We can have all the sponsor brands. Also, we have videos. We have sponsor brands. This will show you this will show the client your own brand. You can target more products inside that campaign. That is pretty good. So that's the amount. Target to more market, a bigger market, or a long tail keywords, longer long tail keywords. That will be like the main thing to do. So there you have it. You have create more campaigns and ad budget. After having more campaigns, you can either wait for the broad and auto campaigns to give you more data and recollect and isolate those keywords or product targeting to create more campaigns, and after that you can start creating more sponsor brand products, sponsor brand videos with an exact keyword, which means that it will have bigger conversions. You will show more in the product page inside Amazon, and that's mainly all the things. If you have more questions or anything else, you're free to reach out to or my Amazon Guy page. We are always here. We solve problems, we grow sales, and you can always contact us. Thank you.